Alright folks, so I have a date in 5 minutes. Alright, so let's do this really quickly. This is the box. The asshole that sent it to me from Goat, or whoever the seller is on Goat, put the UPS label directly onto the box and shipped it exactly like this. And you can see the little tag over there from the UPS, which really sucks. Whoever you are, you suck. Whoever does ship on Goat, please put another freaking box. Spend whatever money you need to do that because it's just good for the community. I'm gonna keep the shoe anyway, so not a huge deal, but Jesus, sucks. Well, with that said, Goat, who I did order from, so shout out to Goat. Where is the little sticker guy? Sorry, I opened the box already. But got it from Goat. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. And they do the hole punch card and stuff like that, and it's really good. They actually gave me a 15% discount on the shoe because of the box, which is not the worst. And so I got the shoe for a little under less than what you would normally pay. And here it is. This is the first time seeing the shoe. It definitely looks like it was worn at least once. Right out of the box, there's some, you know, maybe if other people got the shoe and they can tell me, but it looks like it's already been creased a little bit up here, which is where the foot usually goes in. So there's a little like stain over here as well from your finger. So I'd say it's definitely not total dead stock. Unfortunately, you can kind of see little things on here that I can definitely clean up. So not a huge deal, but you know, Goat, you're supposed to look at these things. But right out of the box, these shoes look sick. Here is the Nike Dunk SB, the Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS with the fat tongue, in collaboration with Parra. Here's a quick look at it. Nice supple leather, not too bad. Much better than a lot of the dunks that I've seen. Definitely not as good as the Diamond Supply ones that I have. The Diamond Supply ones are actually like fucking amazing. You had your 4 swoosh colors, so there's a blue, a burgundy, a red, and then finally that pink done and chenille done on both sides. You've got like your little mini swoosh, SB on the back. Let's see what else is in this box. Here's a little Goat thing that I was looking for. Boom. And the second shoe comes with a pair of laces, so much like the Blazers, it comes with this extra pair. I will definitely be putting these on for you in the full review. Oh my god. Oh, the quality control on this really sucks. It's either the quality control on these really suck or the leather. Ugh, that's so annoying. Over here it's like a little dented in already. And there's a lot of different like striations on the kind of stress marks on the leather already. Did anyone else get a pair and have the same exact thing happen? If you have, let me know, because I mean, I'm gonna trash these up anyway because I feel like that's what you do with dunks, but still. These are both the shoes. The main difference here is the SB and the Parra. Full review will be coming up later this week once I get a chance to wear these, but these look good. You know, unfortunately not the best quality, and unfortunately not the best dead stock quality out of the box, but there's nothing I can do about that at this point, and I think that's it. Until next time, this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Parra. Peace.